This is a short video on how to make vegan yogurt. Organic original plain yogurt or soy milk from West Soy. Renew Life, a probiotic, and a quart container. First, make sure you shake up the soy milk to make sure that it's well mixed. Then I put a hole in the top of it so that it'll pour out easily. Take out one or two of the probiotics, dump it into the container. Open your soy milk, pour it in, stirring. I try not to use any steel for this. I am just using a silicone spatula and a plastic container. Stirring while I mix it up. That guarantees mixes up all of the probiotic. That's it. Now simply loosely cap the soy milk, put it into the oven. It has a pilot light on it, which keeps it at about 105 degrees for 24 hours. And now it's the next day. I put a little clip on the oven to let me know that there's yogurt in the oven. Take it out. And we have very nice yogurt in the form of soy. Put it in the refrigerator for later enjoyment.